Hello everyone, Anderson here. In front of me is the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO and also the Dragon Scale 9, the DSK. As you guys know, the EVO and the DSK is based on the same platform to develop. Not only these two cars share the same DNA, but also they share a tons of stock parts and OP upgrade. Today we will talk a little more about the parts. So let's dive in. So if you have the EVO or have the DSK, the stock parts are interchangeable. So follow me. So first we got the gearbox, then the spring gear, and also the motor mount, and the entire steering assembly, the pillow ball, and tie rod, hex hub, bearing, and screws. They are all interchangeable. If you happen to have both DSK and the EVO, then congratulations, your maintenance will be very easy because lots of the stock parts are interchangeable. You can swap the parts between those two cars very easy. And it only gets even better because now we are talking about the OP parts. The two cars shares a lot of OP parts. In this case, we only show a little more example. More you can check on our official website or in the end of this video. And so the first thing we need to talk about is the front triangle brace and also the main spring gear, the heavy duty steering assembly, center diff cover, aluminum gearbox assembly, aluminum diff case, and even the battery hold down with the LED strip. Buy the upgrade once, you can put it in both EVO and the DSK. We will put all the share parts list at the end of this video. You can always take a screenshot, but if you forget, you can always go to our official website for the DSK parts and the EVO parts. That's it. Until next time, keep the passion.